3 useful Telegram bots everyone should be using. As we all know, Telegram is a messaging platform, basically a direct competitor to the likes of WhatsApp and Signal. But this messaging application has a trick up its sleeves that no other messaging app has been able to pull off. If you use Telegram on the daily, you should definitely check out these 3 bots. 1. VKM Bot. Believe it or not, this was the reason why I joined Telegram 5 years ago, and for a long time it was the only reason for using the application. If you are looking to download free music for offline listening, this is exactly what you should join. No matter which music track you are searching for, just click on the type message button and start by typing the artist name followed by the name of the song or vice versa. The bot will send you a wide array of the song you searched for, extracted from all around the web. Usually these come in 10 in a row with tabs to other numbers down the list. All you need to do is select it and tap to download. You can keep it on Telegram or you can play it or click on the 3 dots on the side and save it to your native music player. 2. TT Saver. Well, this bot comes in for one simple reason: saving TikTok videos. We've all been there before when we wanted to save this cute cat video from TikTok, but we soon realized the creator had disabled the option to save it. Well, that's when this bot becomes very useful. All you have to do is copy the link of the TikTok video and post it right in the bot. The bot will allow you to download the video. There's another scenario where this bot comes in handy. It saves this video without the watermark, so if you're a creator and you have to post your TikTok videos on multiple accounts, you should definitely check this bot out. 3. YouTube Downloader Bot. As its name suggests, this bot is used to download YouTube videos. All you need to do is copy the link of the YouTube video, share it to the bot. It will load up various resolutions of the video you just uploaded. Just click on the preferred resolution and download it. If you like helpful content like this, consider subscribing to this channel and like this video, and while at it, click on the notification bell icon too, so that you get notified anytime we drop any new content.